Hello everybody and welcome to today's Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, keep on watching. Hello everybody, I hope you're all well, I hope you're all healthy. Big hugs and big love to anybody that needs it, because I've had one of those weeks as well, if you're one of those people, so big love to you. I have got my cup of tea here, I've got some things to show you, I've got some stuff to talk about. So I've just taken Megan for her COVID jab, her first COVID jab, and she's really disappointed that she didn't come out speaking Russian. I don't know, perhaps she needs a restart. Perhaps when she sleeps and then wakes up tomorrow morning she'll be speaking fluent Russian. There we go. Anyway, COVID. We probably have it back on our ward again. We have staff isolating, we have patients isolating. I don't think this thing, in fact I know that this thing is not going away anytime soon. So if you are able to and you feel comfortable to, please do get a vaccine, because we had patients that had it before in our second outbreak on the ward, and some people are suffering from long COVID. They cannot walk without being absolutely breathless and like gasping for breath. It is horrible. It is really nasty. So please, if you can and if you feel comfortable, please do go and get a COVID vaccine. If you don't want to, that's fine, that's your personal choice. But please do, if you can. If you are lucky enough to be able to get a vaccine, go and get one. Yeah, so work's been really stressful, the usual, not enough staff, people on annual leave, blah, blah, blah. I was on annual leave last week. I was lucky enough to have annual leave where I met up with the beautiful Amy, who's also admin on Crochet Beginners Group. We had a lovely afternoon together. We got food. We went to this yarn shop called, I can never say it. That's not what it's called. I want to say anemone, but it's not. It's ammonite. I will leave the link to their website because you can always shop online. So it's in Wales. I'm not going to say the name. I'll put the name of the town here because I will probably murder it because, oh, there's some crazy bird running outside, because I'm not a Welsh speaker, even though Wales is like literally half an hour that way. Nah, I don't speak Welsh. And if you're ever in this area, you need to go and visit this shop. It is beautiful. It's only small, but oh my word, it is amazing. They have every single like Stylecraft, DK colour. I'll insert some footage here. So they've got every single like DK Stylecraft colour. They've got bamboo, they've got Stylecraft bamboo, they've got King Cole, they've got West Yorkshire spinners, they've got like everything you could ever dream of. And the two ladies that work in there are absolutely lovely. So I can't recommend this shop enough. I bought some. I know I said I wasn't going to buy any after my Stitch and Story box, but I bought this King Cole limited edition because I actually didn't even know it was limited edition when I bought it. 100% recycled, big value DK, and this is in the colour Plum. And I bought 5 of these because I am gonna knit my mum a jumper. And I will warn you, what I've got to show you today is knitting, it's not crochet, because I've been knitting loads. So I've completed a jumper. So I was really lucky that Hobby Yarn sent me some of their Dahlia. This is Dahlia Mixo. 4-ply. I've never knitted with 4-ply. This is the second thing I've ever knit in my whole life, apart from when I was like 5 and did scarves for my Barbie. So I made this jumper. It's like a little summer tee. I just need to sew these bits here just to under the arms. So I kind of hashed this pattern because this lace bit here, it looks terrible. I know it looks terrible. I'm a learner, like, we've all got to start somewhere. So this lace bit at the top was supposed to go all the way, like to the neckline, but it was really getting on my nerves. So I sacked it off and then just like continued knitting. So it does look like a little bit of a weird letterbox thing, but you know, not bad. First time, took bloody ages obviously. I don't know, I haven't even actually tried it on. This probably won't even go over my head because I think I did the, see? I think I did the, oh, it actually fits. I am shook. Honestly, I have not tried this on. Excuse my hair, I've been to the gym and I couldn't be asked to straighten it when I got home. I like that. I knitted it for work because I thought in the summer, oh my god, in the summer, because we get absolutely bloody boiling, but obviously we're not going to be wearing our written clothes, I don't think, for the next few weeks. We're going to be back in scrubs. There you go. So it's a pattern by, I can't remember, I'll link it down below in the description box. I think it's a Natty Knitter or something. So there's that. The other thing that I have been knitting is, I wanted like a V-neck sleeveless like sweater. My mum calls it a tank top, but she is from that era. But apparently all the cool kids are making these. So I bought, this is in the yarn shop in, this little yarn shop in Porthcawl. This is King Cole again, can't beat a bit King Cole. Big value, super chunky. So it's these two colours, which is pink and grey, funnily enough. Now I look stupid, but sometimes they have fancy names. This stuff is amazing. Considering it was £2.50 a ball, yes it is acrylic, but I'm also aware that people cannot afford to be spending, like when I made that, it's not We Are Knitters, it's not Wool Couture. When I made that jumper, Wool and the Gang, that was like £15 a ball, which is for, it is beautiful yarn, but it's not affordable for everyone. So I don't care if this is acrylic, it's good value, it's affordable, and it's bloody lovely. So let me show you. So I've done the back piece. I'm sort of following a pattern, but I'm making it my own as well. So this is the back piece. Ribbon, obviously it's curled, so it's like this. And then the front piece is the V. So I got sort of halfway. I've just started the V, but I'm going to use 2 balls of yarn so I don't have to do one side at a time. So this is what it looks like. I'm all caught up. Hang on a minute. So I'm just on my front piece, and this is the start here of my V. And then when I've done it, I'm going to edge it with the same grey round the V and round the shoulders. So because it's kind of a bit of a mash-up and a wing it pattern, and I'm not a knitter, I was going to try and write it up if people want me to write it up. Obviously I'll show pictures I've got a picture on my Instagram, I'll leave the link down below, of how it's coming on, but because I'm not terribly good with like the knitting abbreviations and stuff, I will give it a go writing it up, but it's not going to be perfect, so please don't come at me if I mess it up a little bit, because I'm not a knitter, I'm a crocheter. It is really muggy today again. It's boiling, but I forced myself to go to the gym today, and it was bloody roasting. I did yoga and I was literally dying. There was only 4 of us. I was like, came out and I forgot my water as well, so it was like absolutely bloody roasting in there. What else have I got to tell you? I'm getting a new car, which I'm really, I just burped then, sorry, which I'm really excited about. So my car came to the end of its finance agreement, so I either had to pay it off, the remaining finance, which was £8,000, or I can swap it for a brand new car. So I swapped it for a brand new car. That is, they messaged me today and I've got to pick it up on Wednesday. It's an Audi A1 and I'm so excited because that is like, that was one of my goals in life, to get an Audi A1. It's not, this is not boasty. I know I'm really lucky to still have a job, but the repayments are the same price as my Micra. So it makes no difference. I need a car, I have to drive. I work right over the other side of town. I need to drive to get to work because, funnily enough, there's not buses that get me to where I need to go at 5:30 in the morning. So that is all my news. I'm on nights next week, which is rubbish. And then I've got annual leave for a week and then I'm back again. That's a bird on the seat on the roof. Then I'm back again on nights. But it is what it is. Anyway, that's my rambly video. Nothing else to say, but I hope you have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely day. Big love to everybody that needs it, and I will speak to you all soon. Happy crocheting or knitting. Bye.